Holy shit, look at that vanadium. That is fucking shiny, man. Look at that. Holy cow. That looks nice. Damn. I'm so glad I discovered how to do this. I don't understand it though, because like I would think that hydrogen peroxide would oxidize the vanadium, but instead it removes the oxides? I don't know. Anyway, moved it to a bigger vessel until I can figure out what to do with it, because I still got the rest of these guys to go. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I think vanadium looks really beautiful when it's all those different colors, but you know, personally I think it looks better as the fresh metal. So